Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your SOUNDCORE Dot 3i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that do not close it. At the bottom we have this connection button, so press and hold until this LED light starts flashing red 3 times. Here we go, we have it. Now just remove your finger from the button and we should remove it. So click the information icon near to it or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we should see it as the device list, just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!